In this video, I will show how we can control multiple lists in CueTimer from Companion. And this is a new feature in version 3.3 of CueTimer, that you can create multiple lists here and control them from one CueTimer program. And now if you open the new Companion module that we have uploaded, the first thing you will notice is that you can choose which list you want to control from the connection settings. Then you can get an overview of all the lists that are available, and you can choose one of them. So here we have created a connection that only reacts to list number 1. And let's see how it works. Today we are using something called Screen Deck to control Companion. And this is a Screen Deck emulator that lives on top of the desktop. So instead of using this physical hardware here, it's easier for this demonstration just to use the software. And it's a really good software. You should go and check it out. I'll put a link in the video description. So here we have this page that only controls list number 1. So it doesn't matter where we are in the user interface. When I push start and stop, it will only control this list here. But we also have a different way you can control CueTimer, and that is to choose the active list from the connections. And this page follows the active list, and now you see when we change the list here, then the list changes on the page. So you go to list number 3 and we start and stop list number 3. The connection goes both ways, so I can also choose which list I want to control from Companion. So this is a really good option if you are a solo operator and you want to make sure that always what you see in the user interface is what you control from Companion. You can have as many connections as you like. So if you, let's say you want to add control 4 different lists, like having one page for each list, then you just add 4 connections here. Now when you add the buttons, it's quite easy to see which list you are controlling. So let's say you go to a new page and you create a button and go to the presets, and now you can choose here if you want to use your connection for list number 1 and the active list. So here I'm just going to add a couple of buttons here, and this is then going to start and stop the first timer in the list. So this is how we can control multiple timer lists in CueTimer from Companion. I hope this is useful. Take care and see you again soon.